marketing platforms. There's so many of them, right? Are you using all of them to your advantage? Here's a tip for you. A lot are much easier to use than you realize. Most of us have the smartphone, right? It gives you freedom and access into all the social medias. It also gives you the opportunity to record. Take one step further. Go ahead and invest into a little take-home camera and attach it. Even if you don't get the professional camera with a mic, use one of these little doodads and it'll just attach wherever you want. Set it onto your smartphone and just start recording. It's amazing the response you're going to get because your clients, they love to hear from you. They love to see you in the natural light. So my challenge for you today is do one simple 10-second video. And if it's looking for what to say, just say what your favorite plant is or your favorite song. That's all you need.